Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on no one can catch video on your Threads app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just go out down here, you click here on this sign, then it's going to take you here in your profile. Then you just go up, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. You click here on notifications and you come to notifications window here, you click here on Threads and replace here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just go down here and you come here to quit. You will come here to off. You will click here on turn off here or this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean no one can quit you on your Threads app. I wish know you I get it. That's all, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching, and don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.